As soon as I got this car, I've noticed a oil leak from the engine. I was so certain that it was the power steering pump leaking, as I've mentioned in the first video. But the leak was around the oil cooler and the oil filter housing. So I went online to see prices of these gasket kits, and these were cheap. Seems that there's high demand for these kits. So 2 weeks have passed and the kit came in the post. I'm guessing some oil will spill at some point, so I cover the ground with this paper. Turns out this is a very common oil leak spot for the 3.2 liter engine. So let's get started. Let's fix one of the oil leaks on this car. So as I said, I'm going to remove the oil filter housing and the oil cooler as a whole to change all the gaskets there. And for the first time ever, the oil filter came off with only my hands. Every car should be like this. E10. The only thing that is in the way is this air pump, so that has to go before taking anything else off. There is a 46mm socket. I bought this from Biltema, and this is 10 euros. Bit loose. This oil filter housing bolt can be a bit stuck, and it has a very long thread, so taking it off can take a while. Oh, this is oily. Now I'm going to clean this housing so it will look brand new again. Ooh, these are very... you cannot even press down. This lower gasket has turned into plastic as well. Now that I have this housing off, I might as well clean the surrounding area. And after that, I'll put this gasket material really beautifully. Well, maybe the looks won't matter and it will hold well. Let's install this gasket. Of the sealer, this go face to face with the, and also the smaller one. Then let's reapply the plastic. And same with these smaller gaskets. I will put a small amount of gasket material on these to help them seal better. Align this dot with these two, so it looks like kind of like a gun's iron sight, kind of like that. I can understand why this leaks so easily, because there isn't any kind of like click on when reapplying this, so it was still like slide. But yeah, next one, this big bolt socket. These long magnets are really handy, so you can get it from the tight place. Some thread locker. These housings are really simple to put back. And the rest of the way goes well with a normal ratchet. I'll put everything to torque specs once I do a oil change. Right now I'll reuse the filter. Then let's put the clip first and then put the clip into the housing. Holes. And it gets slides in earth. Slide that and let's tighten. And before installing the cover, turn on the engine and see if it leaks. It was definitely this that leaked badly and sprayed the oil all over here. And look how clean it is. Looks way better. Then let's do a little oil cleanup.